my new team, my crew.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like the most historical place in all of India. This is Humpy. This is really nice. It was the second biggest medieval city in the world after Shanghai. This is Shiva in a bowl shape. This is an old swimming pool. It gives me the Jungle Book vibes. This is nice. Wow, this is nice. You're getting ahead of me! You're gonna win! You won! No, you won. Good job. A self-named doctor walked up to me and I'm gonna do an ear cleaning. Are you a licensed doctor?
Yes.
Do you know what you're doing? Are your tools sterilized? That is a lot of wax. It's a good feeling but also a bad feeling. Oh, that's from one ear?
Yes.
I have baby ears.
Yes.
Why do you put it on your hand? Are you saving it for later?
First time cleaning is you?
Yeah, of course it's my first time cleaning. I like it, I don't really know. I'll see the results afterwards. If I get an infection or not. Having it in the ear is a very vulnerable place. So this is the stuff you collected. I actually hear better. When I'm cycling, all the horns are gonna sound really nice. My hearing is a lot better. These sounds are super sharp. A very nice day, a very nice place. Now they're drinking this water. I wouldn't do that. This is the highway, I'm not joking. Look at this. In the middle of nowhere. Hey guys! Hi! There's a cow. And now we have the highway again. India! I stopped for 2 minutes sitting down here. Two guys show up on motorbikes, one heading in the wrong direction on the highway, and the other one stopped because he stopped and took a selfie, and now he's putting in his cell phone number in my phone. Neither of them speak English. I've been standing here for 5 minutes now waiting. Wherever you stop, wherever you camp, wherever you go, you're never alone. These are my new friends. He's just touched my penis a little bit. I just felt now, it smells totally like liquor. You like my clothes? Like to touch me? Yeah. You have been drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drinker. Two-wheeler mechanic.
Yeah, you're drunk. You need to stop drinking, my man. You can't drink and drive. You can't go this way. You have to be on the other side of the road. Look at him go. No helmet, drunk, against traffic on the highway. No problem. Crossing the highway with goats. I had like 50 crazy school kids running behind me. I stopped to buy water and there were like 30 people surrounding me. I just plugged in my earphones and just didn't care about it. It's so intense going into cities. It's insane. The cities are utterly crazy. Sometimes life is just wonderful. No headwind, no cars, downhill, good road, no dust. Raise me up so I can stand on mountains. Hey guys! And these guys want to take a selfie.
One more selfie.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Hi! No, I'm a native Indian, man. Yesterday I read up on the dangerous animals in India. The big four very, very, very dangerous snakes. And then they have over 40 different types of scorpions, where the red scorpion, is really dangerous. If I were a snake, I would probably live here. This is the owner of the land, and now I can sleep here. It's perfect. I have a huge load of shit there. The guy who I showed you before, he was sitting here for 1.5 hours. Okay, I need to change, man. I'm not gonna go in the tent to change. So I'm like, Marcus, you're at the gym. And then I went away and I was like, okay, where? Toilet. And it's like, oh, just here. And I'm like, okay. So I went behind this bush here. And then exactly when I start to do my thing, he just walks around and stands over there. He just stood there for like 20 seconds like, yeah, this is a good spot, isn't it? I just woke up and we have a dude here. I'm not really sure what he wants, but he's standing here. It's really weird. As most people, even I have to go to the bathroom in the morning, and I did as yesterday. I go into this bush, and this fucking creep, he goes up and stands over there and then watch me as I do my business. And he just stands there and just watch me. I'm like, why do you do this? And I start to talk with him while I'm doing my business. Do you enjoy this? In no other country on earth I think they would do this, but the two people that I meet here, they do it. They want to watch you when you take a shit. They enjoy that. It's out of this world. It's totally out of this world. He was standing here right here for 10 minutes while I woke up and brushed my hair and prepared my breakfast. It's so weird. It's so weird. You're an animal in a zoo right now. I'm not gonna ask you if it's okay to stand here and stare at you. I'm just gonna do it. Now he starts to walk away. But he's gonna stop. He's just gonna get a better view. Yeah, there we go. Oh, here comes another dude. Yeah, they both now just stand here and watch me while I'm eating. And this is what they look like. They stand here and they watch me. The guy that was there when I woke up, he's still here. Watched me eat, watched me wake up, watched me take a dump, watched me fix my bike, take down my tent. He was just there the entire time. So even if you tell them, like, look away, go away, what the fuck are you doing? You get sort of angry, they don't care. And they have, like in the ancient towns, they have this water system in the middle of the street. Okay guys. Bye. Thank you. This guy has the hiccups. Indian people sure knows how to destroy nature. I saw this guy violently hitting a bull. I totally understand all these blogs that I read about cycling in India and the people that I talked to before I got here. Either you accept it or you quit. The only two ways you can do this. The violence against animals, you know, it's just... And the people honking, these kids, I think they're nice. Goodbye! Bye! Bye! That was nice, they were well-mannered, I like that. Bye! Very, 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 very nice kids. That's how easy it is to get my mood up. I love India, woohoo! Two 15-year-old kids stopped me by force. They grabbed a hold of my brakes and they pulled my flag in the back. 2 minutes later, two dogs start to really go at it. I cycle on. A tuk-tuk just comes from the other direction, goes over to my side of the road, just hit the brakes and hang on the horn. I saw a woman hit a child straight over the face. This is all in one day and I haven't even had lunch. It's not even 12. It's not even 12 o'clock. Wow. A temple in the town, nice. Hi. This is nice. Everybody just goes crazy. Especially the happy kids, of course. It's a local chicken, probably the one hanging from the back of a truck earlier. Where do we have a ATM? They must have an ATM in this town. Like, what the fuck? Everybody would think that. But I'm more like, no. This is cool. This is 5 minutes ago. Here I am, rocking like a hurricane. Hello, my man. My dinner is gonna consist of rice. That's it. That's it. Huh?
Guy want to go?
Guy want to go? I don't know what you're saying. English?
English,
Yes, English. Kids, I just love them. The dust.
Hindi.
No, is it good? Do you eat them? Okay, stop. 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 Yeah, stop. What do you do with it? Like this one? Do you eat these? Oh, thank you guys. I'm gonna cook these. Thank you, perfect. What are the odds of that? Take care, bye. Thank you, bye. That was amazing. What? I nearly went into tears now. What happened? That was so cool. I just said I'm gonna eat only rice and they come up with this stuff. Thank you, world. This is where I slept. There was this one guy, he was like, the roads in India are so good. I'm like, no man, they are not good at all. India has the worst roads I've cycled on my whole trip, so I'm sorry man, but I can't agree with you. India has so good roads. I'm back in business. Hi. I have tailwind. I have tailwind. Yes. Let's overtake this. Cycling the highways of India. It's so nice. Let's overtake him. Oh shit. All the ATMs go out of cash everywhere and they don't fill them up. So I'm always going to carry a lot more money than I usually do. I got so frustrated before. I was like, how is it possible that 6 hotels are overbooked and that they don't give me a room even though they have rooms? 1 hour and 45 minutes I went around the town and now I'm outside of the town. But it's good because it's north, so I don't have to do the town tomorrow. 4th one this morning. No cash. This country is stupid. The hotel where I'm staying, they have a machine so that I can pay by card. Of course, it doesn't work. That is so nice. So fucking nice. I went to 16 ATMs and banks. All of them were out of cash. The people just honk and honk and honk and honk. They honk all the time. Hey, I'm so tired of it. I don't understand how anybody can enjoy living here. It's beyond my comprehension. I'm sorry to break it to all you Indian people out there. The animal abuse and the honking, the driving, the not working ATMs. It's just so much that doesn't work. The worst I've ever seen in my entire life. And I have a month left of it. Maybe I start to like it. Sorry mate, I'm not in the mood for talking right now. It sounds like I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. A lot of people are very, very nice. But a lot of them are just plain stupid. There's shit everywhere. I just wish that I went through Pakistan instead of this. I would gladly bicycle among landmines my entire life than to spend 1 month in this shithole. I got back to the hotel. I tell the manager I went to 16 ATMs and neither of them had cash. Okay sir, I make exception. You can pay by credit card. You could have told me that before I cycled 14 kilometers in the town. I have 2,000 kilometers left and it's just depressing with the experiences I've had so far. Like this experience, for example. A man stopped me on the highway and he said, "You're doing an amazing job." And after that I got a little bit more happy. It's still frustrating this country, but I'm just gonna try to accept it. I just gotta accept it. If I don't, I'm not gonna be able to make it on bike all the way. And I want to do that. I'm going to do that. I didn't think it was gonna be this difficult, but it is. It's really difficult. Oh, thank you. Thank you. This looks really nice.